Hey shoppers, today we have an ultrasonic jewelry cleaner. Okay, so super easy to operate. It does have an instruction manual with pictures on how to care for it and use it. This is the power cord, so it simply plugs in and then you power it on. Nice long cord. So right here is where you plug in. There you go. Click that button and it powers on. Can you hear that? So you put your jewelry, glasses, accessories in there. As soon as it closes, you can see the light turn on. Right here is the digital screen. You click this button to operate the settings. So we're going to test out our ultrasonic light jewelry cleaning machine. Okay, so we just put water in there, as you can see, not all the way to the top, just a little bit above half. I'm going to put just a drop of dish soap in there, just one little drop, just to kind of add a cleaning. And I have my son's glasses, which I'm really excited about because he wears these every single day. So to have an opportunity to clean them makes me happy. And then I have my wedding rings. So we're going to put it in there. Okay. We are plugged in. You hit power. Press and hold for power. So you can see the light, the digital screen. When you click this, it adjusts the settings, the time settings. So I'm going to click it all the way to the highest, which is 480. And notice there's a little window here on top. You can see the glasses. And the rings in there cleaning nicely. I'm just going to peek it open so you can see. So if you open it early, the light turns off. Okay, so it just shut off, so it's done. We're going to open it up and see what it looks like inside. Ooh, look at that. You see the little particles? Wow. Look at the little particles floating around. Nice and clean and shiny.